This lid can be used as a candle tray as well, just like that. So very chic, very sophisticated, very luxury, very Louis Vuitton. Hi everyone, it's Sarah here. Today I'm going to share with you what I bought after the Louis Vuitton price increase recently, January 2021. It's kind of panic buy in a way, because I wanted this item for so long time, but I couldn't pull trigger because it's so expensive. And actually now it is more expensive than it was launched. I think it was about 280 to 300 Australian dollar, and now 350. You probably know what it is, and I actually bought two at once. I just feel like, okay, if I'm gonna buy it, maybe just get it once and then that's it, done. It is Louis Vuitton candle, and because of the price, I couldn't pull trigger for myself, but I bought it several times for my friends, for their special occasion like wedding, birthday, that sort of thing. The first time I bought it from the store, and actually it came with only the candle box without any wrapping or anything, and then the Louis Vuitton paper bag, that's it. But last time I bought it online for my colleague's wedding, and it came in a very, very nice box, and I actually want to share with you guys how it comes with the online shopping from Louis Vuitton website. So if you want to buy candle, I would recommend you to buy from the Louis Vuitton website instead of the store. Let's unbox. You have a look. Wow, can you see that? It comes in a very nice packaging. So this one, as usual, you get all the receipt. It comes with this nice box. As you can see, the box itself like that. And it actually comes with a paper bag. Unfortunately, this paper bag is just too small for this box. So last time when I bought a LV candle for my colleague, right, I actually used the paper bag from Louis Vuitton, like the bigger one. As you can see, yeah. So it's a small paper bag like that. How can you fit this big box inside? Impossible, right? But this is the one I share you. So it comes in a nice ribbon like that, yeah. When you open, you can see the nice wrapping like that. But then they actually make it very nice, so the candle is actually fit in the box. So as you can see, it comes with that tray, yeah, that's how you call it, just like that. With nice wrapping. Oh, I break it. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, it just comes like that. So very, very nice. And this is the base of it. It's actually just fit the candle nicely, just like that. Okay. I really like it how they wrap and how it comes with the box and everything with this Louis Vuitton candle. Let's have a look at this one. I actually unboxed the other one already. Hopefully this one, the scent is nicer. Yes, this one is much nicer. I can smell the scent straight away after I remove this plastic wrapping. So this one is actually the blue wick. Smell very fresh, this one. Wow, 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 as you can see. So it comes with this cover, very heavy, very nice, just like that. And then, look at that. It's very Louis Vuitton. This one is nice. Smell very nice. And it comes with the vachetta strap like that. It's really Louis Vuitton. Okay, and you can actually put this cover on top just like that. Very beautiful. And this one smells really nice. I actually unboxed the red wick one, and it smells a little bit hard to say, but it's a little bit disappointing for me. But this one, the smell is really nice. I think they are very Louis Vuitton, in terms of luxury candle, and they look very sophisticated, look very luxurious, it's actually really Louis Vuitton, I would say. I want to share about my first impression of the scent. The moment that I unwrap the plastic wrap, I can feel the smell come out from the box itself, so it's quite strong scent, but it's not that, sharp scent. So it's quite sophisticated in the way, in terms of scent. The first impression of this, I actually don't know the name. I will put the name down here. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I just say like this, a red wick. So this red wick, the strongest scent is actually rose. Actually now it's not that bad. But the first moment that I actually smelled it, I actually felt like, what is that? I don't want to say that. I don't know how to explain. It's like rose mixed with something when people feel sick and, like that sort of thing, yeah. I just don't like that second smell in this candle somehow. At the moment, it's not that bad, but the first time that I actually smelled this scent, I feel like, that's my first impression of this scent. I hope when I actually burned it, it will get nicer, I'm not sure, because sometimes when I burn candle, it might not smell the same like the original one when you actually smell it directly from the candle itself. But we'll see. On the other hand, this blue wick, this is very nice scent, very nice smell. It's hard for me to explain about scent, but it makes me feel like, I'm in holiday beach house with blue sky, with a sea breeze, with nice blue sea, that sort of thing. It smells very refreshing and it's very relaxing at the same time. So if I have to pick one between these two, it's gonna be the blue wick, not the red wick. Yeah, the red wick too. I don't see a lot of Louis Vuitton candle review, but I actually saw one lady, she actually did a Louis Vuitton candle review. She actually mentioned that there was a problem with tunneling, of one of her candle. So she brought it back to Louis Vuitton store. Then they exchanged it for her, and actually the new candle, was okay. I will burn it in the future and I will share with you what's the result. It might be on Instagram story or it might be on YouTube, so please stay tuned. Will I buy it again in the future? I don't know, I don't know whether it's worth 350 Australian dollar or not. Let me burn it and then I let you know whether I think I will repurchase it in the future or not. So far, I don't think I will buy more of them, but never say never. If I want to buy it again in the future, I will definitely buy it from Louis Vuitton website, not the Louis Vuitton boutique, because of the nicer packaging from Louis Vuitton website. I hope this video was helpful for some of you who might be interested in Louis Vuitton candle and for those who are candle lover like me. So thank you very much everyone for watching and see you again next time. Thank you. Bye bye.